Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss another topic of grammar, that is active and passive voice. So what is active voice and passive? Let's see. Active voice, in active voice doer of an action is called the subject, and in passive voice doer of an action is called the object. So only that sentence can be transformed into passive voice if that sentence will be transitive verb. So what is transitive verb? Transitive verb which shows causing or passing of a process. For example, the boy kicks the football. A proper action has been done. And intransitive verb which does not show causing or passing of a process. Incomplete action. He laughed, she laughed. So that is incomplete. So our first tense is present indefinite. Present indefinite rule is inactive voice subject plus verb first form plus s or es. When it changes into passive voice, it becomes object plus is mr plus verb third form plus by. For example, he reads a book. A book is read by him. Who teaches you English? By whom are you taught English? What do you want? What is wanted by you? So in this manner, present indefinite tense. Now present continuous. Rule is in active voice subject plus is mr plus verb first form plus ing. In passive voice, it will become object plus is mr plus verb third form plus being plus by. For example, she is writing a letter. A letter is being written by her. He is playing cricket. Cricket is being played by him. Next is present perfect. So active voice rule is subject plus has or have plus verb third form. When it changes into passive voice, it becomes object plus has or have plus been plus verb third form plus by. For example, he has done his duty. His duty has been done by him. One more example. He has written a book. A book has been written by him. So there is no present perfect continuous. Next is past indefinite. Past indefinite rule is subject plus verb second form. When it changes into passive voice, it becomes object plus was or were plus verb third form plus by. For example, he wrote a letter. A letter was written by him. Okay. Next is past continuous. Rule is subject plus was were plus verb first form plus ing. When it changes into passive voice, it becomes object plus was were plus being plus verb third form plus by. For example, the boys were flying kites. Now kites were being flown by the boys. Okay. Next is past perfect. Rule is subject plus had plus verb third form. When it changes into passive voice, it becomes object plus had plus been plus verb third form plus by. So same example, he had read a book. A book had been read by him. He had done his duty. His duty had been done by him. Okay. He had written a letter. A letter had been written by him. Some examples we have done it for you. Let's see one by one. First is my friends help me. I am helped by my friends. The boy is flying a kite. A kite is being flown by the boy. She has invited me. I have been invited by her. He sang a song. A song was sung by him. We were expecting good news. Good news was being expected by us. And last but not the least, I had read the book. The book had been read by me. So these are the rules of passive voice, and this is the part 1. and rest of the tenses which we haven't done, that will be discussed later on. Thank you so much.